Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So these are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Wands and Temperance. So in your circumstances today, guys, Pisces, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are happy about something today, guys. Something, you have that emotional satisfaction, contentment, your expectations are being met, you are really happy. Maybe in your work, regarding some projects or regarding your work, you are seeing lucrative returns. Things are aligning for yourself in your career. It's your circumstances are really positive and you are really truly happy for the way things are going, and you see lot of opportunities for success, some projects, some new projects that is giving you that is pushing you towards your dreams and goals, and you are seeing your life moving on just like rolling into some kind of without any obstacle, without any stress or difficulty. Your life just moving along peacefully, happily today. Things are, your circumstances are very positive. You see people helping you and you yourself feel so emotionally peaceful and happy today, guys. So maybe in this relationship or maybe in your work, you are feeling harmony and balance in your heart, happy for the way things are going. And in this relationship with this person you love, you have a beautiful understanding. You are a really flexible person, guys, Pisces. So you are trying to find that that common ground between you both, and you are truly a good friend, a good companion to be with, a truly kind and compassionate person. So this person simply loves to be with you and they love your company, and you are feeling so happy today, happy to be with this person, happy to be in this relationship, Pisces. So for your relationship we picked one card, and it is Six of Cups in reverse. So with this card, in your circumstances, guys, maybe you were expecting certain things. Maybe you expected this person to, maybe you had proposed to them and you expected an answer from them, or you expected certain answers for something you asked them, but what they tell you is something taking you by surprise, something making you more happy. So you are simply feeling truly happy for their words, because you never ever expected this from them. may be, guys. So this person is revealing their heart, what they truly feel about you and what they are planning for your future. So some kind of positive answer is what you are getting today, Pisces, in your relationship. So for your career situation, guys, we have Ace of Pentacles. So looks like things are going in a very positive way in your work situation also, guys. So you are seeing success, prosperity and abundance in your career circumstance. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Pisces, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. So I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances, you have faced a lot in your life. You have gone through a lot of difficulties, gone through a lot of trials, and you have endured confusion and uncertainty in your life for many years, and you were you were looking for an oasis, that freedom and relief all along. So the answers you seek or the freedom you look for is not far away, guys, and it is coming towards you, and you are going to get that clarity and happiness very soon. So you may not worry or you may not feel sad anymore. And this oracle comes with a special guidance, guys. Whatever you were going through, maybe you were going through a lot of pain, difficulty, and you were crying. Whatever it was, your sadness or all that stress, pain is going to be the foundation for something that is going to be changing or transforming in your life. And your life is divinely aligned and you are going to be more alive than before. So you must be prepared to let your old version of yourself just leave you. And what does that mean? What does that mean to say that we are letting that old version go away? It just means that letting go of the opinions or doubts, despair and fears that we have in our life. And a great transformation is coming your way, guys. So you can rest assured, be happy for that. And this oracle also comes with a special guidance regarding divine timing. So all your dreams and goals, whatever you had, your time is fast approaching. And maybe you are in that greatest confusion of your life or greatest darkness. But don't forget that deepest darkness of the night is the closest to the newest dawn. So you should not forget that, and don't turn back, don't turn yourself away from progress. So even your next step will be something breathtaking, or it may be something like a breakthrough in your life, guys. So you should not forget that. So at that appropriate timing, whatever is supposed to be yours will always be yours and it is coming towards you, and this is the time for positive transformation in your life, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. So in your relationship or in your career or personal life, great changes are coming towards you, guys. You should not forget that. So that is a reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it is Yang. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today you are in that, you are having that creative power to make things happen, and you are the one who will make the right actions. So maybe in this relationship or in your personal life, you need to decide on something, or you need to take up some activity. There is no one better than you for that job, guys. So you have that power and energy to propel forward in your life, and this is the perfect time for you to act, and circumstances are supporting your action. And today in this relationship, maybe if you are interested in this person, if you are thinking of marriage or proposal, it is okay to make the first move. Trust that you will know where you are and where your relationship stands, guys. So in the matters of this relationship, there is movement towards that highest good. So you can move forward with assurance. Be assured that whatever activity you do is going to be the right thing for you, and passion is in the air, love is in the air, and it is the time to dance to the tune of love. So it is time to take the lead in this relationship right now. So if you are thinking of marriage or proposal, commitment, you can take that first step towards that in this connection, and that is going to work in your favor, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.